me about yourself. Go jungle, why do you want this job? Do you local balu lochinale? What are your strengths? The ata chadriga barile. What are your weaknesses? The ane chadriga barile. Can you work under pressure? P.I.O.ma low nine la. Why should we hire you? Balo tingo cantinale. What experience do you have? What experience do you have? Badre chonri shile. Can you work in a team? Appoint it low nine la. How do you solve problems? What are your future goals? Are you willing to learn new skills? How do you handle stress? Whoa, say pasi mugo below kind drille. What motivates you? Baga thingo busy the lay. Can you work overtime? A chain for low nine la. How do you manage your time? Chingo below zimale. What do you know about our company? Janoto gomani jamba dile. Do you have any questions for us? How do you deal with difficult people? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?